Welcome, in front of me is an Emporia Smart.5 and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. Now to get started, simply open up your settings. From here, navigate all the way down to System, select Reset Options and then Erase All Data Factory Reset. This will bring up a message letting you know that this method removes everything that is listed right here. So if you want to keep any of these things that are listed here, make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made that copy or you just simply don't want to, you can select Delete All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, that'd be PIN, pattern, or password, you will need to confirm it right here. From there, select Delete All Data, and this will begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about a minute to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.